Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry ratio formulas. Let's start by understanding the fundamental components of a right-angled triangle. You'll need to identify the hypotenuse, which is always opposite the right angle, and then the opposite and adjacent sides relative to a specific acute angle. Mastering this identification is the first crucial step to applying the ratios correctly and confidently. The SOH-CAH-TOA mnemonic is your best friend for remembering the primary ratios. SOH stands for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. CAH means cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA represents tangent equals opposite over adjacent. For example, if the opposite side is 3 units and the hypotenuse is 5 units, the sine of that angle is 3/5. Beyond the primary three, we also have reciprocal trigonometric ratios. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, meaning its hypotenuse over opposite. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so its hypotenuse over adjacent. Finally, cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, which is adjacent over opposite. These 6 ratios provide a complete framework for understanding angles and sides in right triangles. To truly master these formulas, consistent practice is key. Work through various problems, focusing on correctly identifying the sides for each angle. Try applying these ratios to practical scenarios, like calculating heights or distances. With dedicated effort, you'll find that understanding and using trigonometry ratios becomes intuitive and straightforward, opening doors to more advanced concepts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.